So as we come in here, we've got a small little area here. It's got a door here, and this door, behind this door, it leads to the bathroom area. So we've got the toilet, and then it goes into the shower and everything. We'll check that out here in just a minute. But this part here is the first part of this room, Act XL Suite here. This is where our daughter will be staying, of course. It has a Pullman up there, which will come down. She loves doing that. So we'll have the Pullman come down. We've got the couch here that also is a pull-out sofa. You've got your TV. You've got your area here where in this here we get bottled water for free, but then that's anything greater than the 3 bottles that we would actually consume. We'd have to pay for those, and those are $4.75 each. In this room, included, you get some binoculars so that you can watch out over the seas as we travel. Down here, we've got some drawers. We have a little fridge down here. Doesn't keep your things like ice cold, I don't believe, but hey, it gets the job done. We also, upon our arrival, we received some nice sweets here, some treats. We've got some blueberries, some yogurt, coated raisins, some cashews, and a bottle of wine. 2 seats here with the table here. Some nice little area here. Got some nice decor here on the walls. So far, I say that this is very nice. In the average balcony room that we've ever stayed in, it's pretty much the size of just this room here alone. So let's go to the back here. We'll go check out the bedroom, which is the king-size bed, 2 twins put together. You've got your area here, over here, your seating area. Next to your beds, you also have this nice little gadget here, which is your lighting for nighttime or so forth. And then you also have USB cord in here, which is great too. Got some cabinets, some shelving. As I said, your seating area with your 2 chairs. Outside, you've got your area here for makeup, prep, get your day ready. As you all can see here, I'm traveling with Pops all the time. My dad, he goes everywhere we go, so this will be an adventure for him as well. We keep our snacks, as you can see. It's not that Carnival is not providing great meals, because it is. The thing is, we like to snack throughout the day, so we definitely stay on top of that. Closet space. Walk-in closet here. As you walk in, the lights do come on. Plenty of shelving, compartments, your safe, you get your robes in this area. And then the bathroom here. Wonderful shower. Got your rain shower here, and then you've got your area down here where you've got 4 jets into the wall there. That's going to be exciting. You have some shelving. You've got the sink here, more shelving. And then, as I said, that door that was on the outside when we were walking in, that leads to this area here, which is where the toilet is. And then you also have another basin here, some more shelving, and a mirror. There's also a door that's on the side of the bedroom where you can actually pull this, slides, locks on this side so that you have a little bit of privacy there. Okay guys, let's go and check out what do we have outside here. Outside we've got lots of seating areas, lounging. There's a dinette set out here, or a dinette area where we'll be spending a lot of time eating. Balloons down there are actually lights for at nighttime. We're still in Miami right now, so this is the view. Virgin Voyager. Or Virgin Voyages. We go around the corner here. Got some seating here. We got a rocker. Nice little couch here. Soak up some sun. And then we have our own private hot tub jacuzzi, which is going to be great for the evenings on the ocean, cooling down. And just the side view here on again the lounges that we have. 2 loungers, dining table, seats 4, and then we got this great sleeper here.